All right, for our ongoing class, we're working on the song Sweet Home Chicago, and we're doing it in the key of A, so we can learn a lot of really cool licks. And we're going to concentrate on a bass line embellishment over the A chord and the D7 chord. So now taking the A chord, I'm going to show you what it looks like. And you can vary the rhythm. As long as you stay in the pocket. So now, this is what's happening. We start with the A chord, and that stays put. That's the foundation. The line that moves, that is this. And that's probably what Tom, our bass player, is playing. But we get to play the whole chord while a bass player might be playing just a single note. And it's happening on the E string. So I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm going to place it in the 2nd fret on the E string. That chord is also an F sharp minor, if that helps you orient yourself. So you see my little ring finger? Now I'm going to hold that baby down, and I'm going to take my baby finger now, and I'm going to find the 3rd fret, also the E string, because that's the string where the note is moving. Then let go of my baby finger, then let go of my ring finger. And this is all in one measure. So the simplified version would be we change it up every beat. A, 1, 2, 3. We're going from an A to an A6 to an A7 to an A6. That's what we're doing. Try doing this, darlings, and I'm actually sitting on a box to get my butt up high enough, so I was a little nervous about landing. Oh God, this is going to be on the video. So try doing this and closing your eyes. Oh, 1, 2. Now try doing a down, up with your right hand. Down, up, down, up, down. That cool? So you can just do that through the whole song. Pick and choose when you want to throw it in or not. Same idea with the D7. And we're doing the little simple D7, not the bar version. The line that moves is on the A string. You know, some of you might want to slide your ring finger out. Let me hone in on that. So just like the form with the A, we hold the D7 in place. Then I'm going to take my ring finger, 2nd fret, A string. So that's a D7-6, D7-13 probably. Now, I usually use my baby finger to catch the A string, 3rd fret. There's a D7, like a real D7. If you want to slide your ring finger out, you find what works for you. Let me show you. See that? I'm sliding. My hand gets a little crampy when I do that, but maybe it works better for you. So I use my baby finger. So I'm going to stand up again. Here we go. So let's just put it into action, okay? We're going to do 2 measures of A, 2 measures of D7 back and forth. A 1, 2, 3, 4. 2nd measure. D7. Okay, I'm going to slow it down. A. D7. Close your eyes, darling. One more set. D7. Woo! That's going to be next week.